Oh, yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Check out the bathroom. Oh.
Yeah, we're doing like fifth floor right now.
Okay.
Like eventually we will get to the third floor, so.
Are they gonna start redoing all the rooms?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, guys. So here's what a renovated hallway looks like. You saw that nice employee. Let me um take a look inside a new renovated room. It actually doesn't look not too shabby. But it's not too shabby, but I think the Holiday Inn Express Suites rooms they're a little bit more bigger. But these rooms are not bad at all. That definitely fits more their resort theme they're trying to go for, even though I wouldn't still wouldn't call this a resort. So, yeah, I don't know, I might make this a separate video from the rest of my video of the resort or hotel. So, if I do, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. KW out.